के खास मेरे गली में we are in Kalina right now and we are enjoying with two brothers, two soul and two in one body soul. Guys, this is Kalina, but I'm sorry to tell you there's no one around us because it's around 1:30 right now and there is no people roaming around us. Only the ghosts are there. Ire Symmetria? Huh? Okay, I think we are in search of ghosts right now because I can't see a single person around us. You want to say something, bro?
No, brother.
Huh?
No, brother.
My brother in the mood of bang bang boom boom chaki chaki cha. Understand what I'm trying to say?
Kadambadi.
Kadambadi.
We are coming Kadambadi.
We are going to Kadambadi. We are not coming. We are going to the Kadambadi right now. And this is just a silly vlog I'm making right now just to practice. And this guy want to say something?
I want to eat ice cream, brother.
Oh my God, you want to have ice cream? No problem, brother. We will have a nice ice cream. Ice cream shop kidhar?
इधर ही सामने.
So let me inform you once again. Right now it's 1:30 and this guy is expecting me to get an ice cream for this. Let's see. We are hunting for a ice cream shop. आज मेरे गली में मैं और मेरा भाई अपनी एक मंजिल में चल रहे हैं और भाई को आइसक्रीम खाने की बहुत तलब लगी है जो कि हम शॉप को ढूंढ रहे हैं दोपहर सॉरी रात के 1:30 बज रहे हैं राइट डॉमिनिक
Yes, right.
और 1:30 बजे ये भाई को आइसक्रीम खाने गए तो कोई बात नहीं बाहर से आया हूँ इसका एक इच्छा था मेरे साथ आइसक्रीम खाने का तो मैं आज को लेके जा रहा हूँ
Bhatia Chemist.
which way
Bhatia Chemist.
Bhatia Chemist which is located to Wakola I guess. So here we go. शुटोरा का खास मेरे गली में फाइनली हम लोग को एक मेडिकल मिल चुका है
Bhatia Chemist. Bhatia
क्या
Chemist.
ये क्या एडवर्टाइज कर रहा है लगता है इसको कमीशन मिलता है इसके लिए ऐसा बात करें तो ये भाटिया केमिस्ट है और भाटिया का लड़का इधर खड़ा है जो कि आइसक्रीम खाने के लिए मेरे से मांग रहा है कोई बात नहीं चल जाते हैं भाटिया केमिस्ट के अंदर तो भाई अपना आइसक्रीम मांग रहे हैं
पैड होता है ना वो. He is my best friend. Bhatia Chemist. छोटा बड़ा. Right hand.
छोटा बड़ा
बड़ा. बड़ा की छोटा छोटा ही दे दो. तो ये लो बड़ा ही दे दो. छोटा नहीं.
You can just hang it out with the location.
Location is near.
From you guys, this guy mean to say that this location is in Wakola currently right now, and there's cheap things you get over here.
A lot of things.
A lot of things you get over here. And we are here to have some ice cream over here, as per this guy request.
You get a coffee also. See, all brand of coffees.
Yeah, let me show all the thing for you now.
Davidoff.
Bole.
So you get lot of options over here. You can see, as this is like Davidoff. That's my favorite,
Okay.
and I go for this brand. I don't know what the starter coffee, but they have a lot of options over here. Like see, you can see multiple biscuits, multiple cold drinks and all. Paperboard is also my favorite, and this is my favorite, pomegranate.
So what's special over here?
Specialty is I'll show you. Come, they have a different kind of person over here. So most of the thing like they have their own brand. Now if this you see this is chakli which is called of methi. They make it from methi I guess. Or nachni.
Do you get any discounts over something or like?
No, you don't get discounts over here, but you get discount on the medicines. So basically when you book your medicines, that's concerned person.
हेलो बॉस
कौन से आइसक्रीम होते हैं यहाँ पे?
ये सिर्फ क्वालिटी
सिर्फ क्वालिटी का है ओके. और बेसिकली
वहाँ सब मिल जाएगा
वो दुकान में वो दुकान तो बंद रहेगा ना. So they have basically two shops. So here also they have some ice cream shop. Different kind of ice cream. Brother, which one you're going to bring me? Which one you're going to bring me, brother?
Finally, this guy already have two ice cream. Which one?
Quality watch.
Two.
And after this,
Sorry, I got
I'm
cold, so I can't
pulpy.
have it. And now this
Pulpy
fucking
orange.
having this
Pulpy orange.
pulpy or anything else, sir? You want
No,
to?
no, I don't want anything now.
Thank you so much. This is a small blog from Bakola for this guy. So called my one and one soul, one body, one soul.
One soul lover.
Bang bang, boy. See ya.